Are you tired of the daily grind and dreaming of financial freedom? What if I told you that you could replace your 9-to-5 income in just 6 weeks by becoming a virtual assistant? In this video, we're revealing the secret hacks to launch your virtual assistant career and market yourself effectively, plus the proven tips that will help you replace your income in record time. Stay till the end and make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss game-changing insights from Jay's Digital Hub. Let's uncover the basics before we dive into the juicy details. What a virtual assistant really is. A VA is someone who provides professional services from a remote location. It's like a Swiss Army knife for businesses. You handle tasks remotely, like administrative support, social media management, customer service, managing emails, organizing calendars, and even content creation. This flexibility allows businesses to save time and money while focusing on their core operations. Now, let's get personal. You might be wondering how I managed to replace my income so quickly. Here's how I cracked the code to replace my income in 6 short weeks. It wasn't magic, it was strategy. Start by listing skills you already have. Are you good at writing, graphic design, or social media management? This will guide your service offerings. Build a simple website or profile on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to showcase your skills and attract clients. Join Facebook groups or online communities related to virtual assistants. Engage with potential clients and share your expertise. Consider offering a free consultation or a discounted first service to build trust with new clients. Leverage social media. Use platforms like Instagram or LinkedIn to market your services. Share testimonials and success stories to attract more clients. But wait, there's one game-changing hack I discovered that no one talks about, and it made all the difference. Stick around, because I will reveal it in just a moment. Now, let's uncover some secret marketing hacks. These are the exact hacks I use to attract clients like a magnet, and they'll work for you too. Focus on a specific area where you excel, like e-commerce support or SEO content creation. This makes it easier for clients to find you when they need specialized help. Your online profiles are your first impression. Use a professional photo, a clear tagline, and a bio that screams results. Don't just use Instagram for selfies, use it to showcase your expertise. Post quick tips or transformation stories that catch attention. A clean, simple website with testimonials and case studies is like having a 24/7 salesperson working for you. Find Facebook groups or LinkedIn communities where your potential clients hang out. Offer value. Don't pitch right away. The clients will come to you. Follow up with past clients and ask for referrals. Word of mouth is powerful in this industry. Okay, here it is, the hidden hack you've been waiting for. Offer 1 free hour of your service to a dream client. Why? Because it shows them your skills in action. And they're likely to become a long-term paying client and refer you to others. There you have it. Ready to start your virtual assistant journey? The path to replacing your income is closer than you think. With dedication and the right strategies, you can replace your income as a virtual assistant in no time. Your dream career is just a few steps away. Take that first step towards financial freedom. We will see you in the next video.